Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty. So as we discussed on I think 2 days before, I didn't done any pre-market predictions. So its market is not that much movement and I don't have any time and this stuck with another thing. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I said, this is a Nifty. 1 second, sorry. Yeah, this is the Nifty, SGX Nifty. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 waves is got completed, and the 3-way structure is also got completed. Again, I expected the 3-way structure, but it failed to make this 3-way structure day before yesterday. What we discussed about this, but before that, it did the one swing, one 5-way swings, and this is also one 5-way swings. So later on what it looks like something the correction is going on, or the 4th way is also completed and we are on the 5th way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more 5. So later onwards, if it is converted into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this could be the leading diagonal. It may be. So again, I think a lot of confusions here. Yeah. Now this we already did as a 1, 2, 3. So we already completed the 4th, or yet it's a this is the end of the 4th, and 5th way it can shoot again to that target of 17,500 and above, or this is the what the target is. So first target is 17,400. It's already there. We are in that nearest to that. So either 1, 2, 3 and we are in the 4th way, or 4th way is already completed and we are in the 5th way to reach that 17,400 in the Euro session tomorrow. After that, it can be a sell off for making a 3-way structure again, because this 3-way structure is for this swing, for this 5-way impulsive 3 ways, and this for the 5-way structure, and this is the 3rd way, the 3-way corrections. And later onwards, it seems like a wedge formation here. Sir, here, and we can't come to the conclusion whether the 4th wave is already completed or we are in the still in the 4th wave. 1 second, I will just clear this and I will show you the clear vision. So I've next time I need to be get ready for this to delete, otherwise it will be so horrible to delete all those things in front of the stream, right? Okay, so now whether this is a wave 5-way structure, 1 is completed and this is the 2 and the 3 is completed, or it is the end of the, now it is going to end of the 3. So there is a lot of possibilities here. The one thing, first possibility is either the 3rd way is already did here and 4th and we already did in the 5th. It looks like the wedge formation, like that kind of or it can make one more high and that is the end of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be anything, right? So don't make confuse here. Either it could be the end of the 5-way structure here. That is the one possibility. And the second possibility is still we are in that 4th way. That means this, 1 second B, yeah, whether this is the end of the 3rd wave and we are in that 4th wave. Later on, one more 5th wave to reach this zone. So how I projecting this zone means the wave 1 is bigger than the wave 3 and wave 5 could be smaller than this big wave 3, means the wave 3 is smaller than wave 1 and wave 5 should be smaller than the wave 3. So in that case, if we project this 3rd wave, at least from here, we have come to the nearest that 17,600 zone, and that is also the previous resistance zone here. So either there is a lot of chances for making like things. So this is the second possibility. And the third possibility is the 5-way structure here itself, it's already completed in this zone, and this is the wedge formation. So now there will be a 3-way structure again to reach this zone. the next support zone, that is the next and final support zone. So once it did like this could be the head, and this could be the left shoulder, and this could be the right shoulder. Later onwards, after the consolidation only, it can be bounce for the impulsive wave. I am looking for this. So anyway, what I'm looking here is, this is the invalidation point. I'm looking only for that upper trend, bullish trend. So but it will took time, or it will do what I explained here in the previous the two possibilities. Either it can do anything, but what we have to do is, I'm trading only for the investment purposes, not for the trading, and it is not in the futures also. So expecting this, the sell is not advised. Only if it reach here, you can make a buy, and then for the target of nearly 17,000. Sorry, next zone is 17,700, and the next is 18,200. But before that, what kind of structure it is going to do? And sometimes it seems like 1 2 3. So if it is a B C, and again the three-way structure, and again there is a lot of chances for making a deeper correction also to reach this zone, or else it looks like 1 2 3, and after the fourth little bit small consolidation like in this zone, and then one more fifth way to reach that 17,600, the previous resistance zone. So either this is converted into the five-way structure, or it already did the five-way structure. That is the question mark. So we have to leave this to make a structure for the clear path, then we have to trade. But my bias is that 19,500 is ahead. But what kind of pattern it is doing here, that is the main thing we need to know. Because if this is the end of the trend of the fourth way, and beyond the fifth way means, if it is the five-way structure, there is a lot of chances for making that third, fourth and fifth to reach that 19,500 within. This, if it is the fourth way is end, means the fifth way can be a five-way structure, and each five-way structures will be that five ways, three ways, five ways, three ways and five ways. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the five-way structures also that split into the five waves like this, 1 2 3 4 5, and again the 2 third, fourth and fifth, we are looking for that to complete at 19,500. So this is my deeper analysis for this week. So only the tomorrow is only one day, so and it is also the Friday, so make sure about that. There could be a sell-off, and the new Christmas and the New Year is on the already. We are in that low volumes. The market is not moving that much today, so low liquidity may happen, low volume. It could be shoot either side. So either this could be the three-way structure, or it could be again shoot for that 17,600. So it depends upon the tomorrow's price action. So what the bigger players are, they will do. So we have to wait for that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you on the Saturday in the new year, and hope you enjoyed this lovely 2021, and we will welcome the 2022 be a very big, good, profitable year to everybody, and make some education, and you can learn something from my style of trading. Thanks a lot, and we will see you in that next year. Bye.